Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to flex your brain muscles and dive into some mathematical wizardry? You are in right place. Today we are going to tackle a mind-bending question. Our question is x minus square root of x is equal to 2. Our job is to find out the value of x plus 4 by x is equal to how much. We can do this problem in two different methods. This is a radical equation. We have to isolate the radical first. Let's first take us t is equal to square root of x. So substitute t in the equation. T square minus t is equal to 2. Then we can write it as t square minus t minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is in the form of quadratic equation, so we have to find the roots. So we have to split this equation as t square minus 2 plus t minus 2 is equal to 0. Take t as common, t into t minus 2 plus and 1 as common, and 1 into t minus 2 is equal to 0. Then t minus 2 and t plus 1 is equal to 0. So our roots are t is equal to 2 and t is equal to minus 1. But t is equal to square root of x. So substitute the value. First substitute in t is equal to 2. Then square root x is equal to 2. Then x is equal to 4. Now substitute t is equal to square root x in t is equal to minus 1. On squaring we get as x is equal to 1. So we have got the two x values, that is x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 1, and substitute in the equation x plus 4 by x. First substitute x is equal to 4. 4 plus 4 by 4, that is equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Now substitute x is equal to 1, then we get us 1 plus 4 by 1 is equal to 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. In both the values we're getting answer as 5, so x plus 4 by x is equal to 5. So let's move to the method 2. X minus square root x is equal to 2. We can write it as square root of x is equal to x minus 2. No square and boats, then we get as x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 4. Rewriting we get as x square minus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. Let's factorize this equation. No, we are not going to do the first method. My goal is to evaluate the expression. Divide x both sides. Then x square minus 5x plus 4 by x is equal to 0 by x. Then we get as x minus 5 plus 4 by x is equal to 0. Then x plus 4 by x is equal to 5. So we have got the answer as x plus 4 by x is equal to 5. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Until then, keep exploring my other interesting maths videos.